Hello, welcome to Treflow Publishers. I am Oluwatoyin Precious. In this video, I'll be showing you how to open or create a Facebook business page. Please note that a Facebook page is different from Facebook profile. Everybody on Facebook is actually using Facebook profile. But for you to run a Facebook advert, you need a business page, and that business page should be separate from your Facebook profile. So how do you create your business page? Please click on this three dash here. This is actually my present Facebook page. This is my Facebook page. Okay, let's go back. So how do you create yours? Scroll and then can we see pages here? Come to pages and click on pages. Since you want to create your own, this is the pages I manage, Treflow Publishers. So since I want to create another one, I'll click on create to get started. So click on get started. Here there are 4 levels you must get to. So the first one is to enter your page name. So I want to enter my page name here, Treflow Digitals. Then you click on next. Which category do you want your page to be? Is it personal log, beauty, cosmetics, personal care, camera, photo, whatever? Most times I prefer you pick personal blog. Then you click on next. Add a link so that people can visit your website or blog from this page. The other time we created a Facebook a WhatsApp link, so you can actually put your WhatsApp link here. But if you don't have, you can put in your WhatsApp your website address. Maybe you have a particular website you have created. You can actually create one for yourself. You can create a single page website using the card.co. So if you don't have, you say you don't have, then you go to next. So here you have to add picture of your business, and from there you are good to go. Let me just add something. Okay, save, then click on done. And as such, you are almost done. You are done actually. This one is just getting things done by yourself, getting messages and all of that. So you can do this on your own at your leisure time. Thank you for watching this video.